Hey dear, welcome to my channel. Are you tired of that Grammarly icon popping up every time you type something? Then in this video, I will show you how to hide Grammarly icon. Here's how to bid it farewell. When the Grammarly icon appears on the right side as you type, click on it. A menu will pop up with several options. Choose the one that suits your need. To turn off the Grammarly icon only for this site, select the first option. Want to hide it for just an hour? Go for the second option. For more setting, click on the setting option. To quit Grammarly altogether, select the Quit Grammarly option. For now, I will select the Quit Grammarly. I will select Quit Grammarly. And now you can see the green bogey icon will vanish from your site. With this simple trick, you can enjoy distraction-free writing without that pesky Grammarly icon. If you found these tips helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips. Happy writing!